листя опадає, хто в любові не знається, той горя не знає, хто в любові не знається, той горя не знає.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special photo shoot for you guys. Some of you may know that I am Ukrainian. I was born here, I lived here till I was 18, and it was always my dream to do a very Ukrainian styled photo shoot. So right now I am in Ukraine, I'm in Lviv, we are in Shevchenkivsky High. I'm here with the beautiful model Tonia and with an amazing photographer Ivash. He actually organized pretty much this whole photo shoot for me with the help of this production team. Everyone's links will be in the description down below, and Ivash also has a YouTube channel.
Hi guys, I just contacted Irene and said, hi Irene, come here to Ukraine, let's make some stuff together. And she said, yes, okay, let's do it. So we contacted WhatsApp, so it's really easy. We think the idea, Karp Studio production team help us here in Ukraine, and we'll have a nice photo shoot here with Tonia in Ukrainian style. So yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, it's the costume that she's wearing is like an original one. It's 150 years old. All of the houses that you're gonna see.
Yeah, we are praying that the rain doesn't.
Yes, we're praying that there's gonna be no rain because this is very valuable stuff. We can't mess it up. All of the houses that you're gonna see in this video are original old Ukrainian houses because this is kind of like a museum here. So this is authentic stuff you're getting here, okay? So give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, check everyone out, and yeah, let's just get started with this photo shoot.
One more thing I forgot to mention, we did a video on Ivash photography YouTube channel as well. So if you guys would like to see Ivash taking some cute pictures of me and my husband, go ahead and check out the link in the description.
І знаєш, що ще з цієї сторони трошки йде більше світла, так що якщо ти можеш дивитися більше в ту сторону, так.
Look this side, this back.
О, отак дуже класно. І на мене очі. Так, класно, класно. І я люблю багато контакту, тобто з очима, так. Так, дуже класно. Я зараз роблю в повний ріст. Ти б могла б без кросовок? Можеш? Ми просто їх будемо тримати зразу збоку, і я тобі їх зразу буду давати. Так.
Такого я ще не робила.
Боса.
Я ще не була.
У мене завжди всі моделі боси. Так, отак класно. Так, і дивись в цю сторону. Так, класно. О, це взагалі класно. Круто. О, от така фотка просто круто, як ти отак йдеш. Чекай секунду, я тільки трошки поміняю настройки. Так, давай. О, і так задом дивитися, так класно виходить. Ага. Та отак вверх, там якраз світло йде класно. Во, дуже круто. Отак прям сильно мені подобається, так. Такий сильний погляд, так.
So the rest of the video actually doesn't have any sound because we didn't realize that my mic was off. Can I make at least one video where everything goes right? Apparently not, but I'll just continue with the old-fashioned voiceover. The sun came out and we decided to move Tonia to the sunny spot to get some nice backlit portraits, and because the trees were so far in the background, it created really beautiful bokeh. This next location was probably one of my favorites. First of all, we have a lot of details here, like the house and the beautiful fence in the background. Plus, the light was really amazing. We were shooting around 12 p.m. so the sun was pretty high up, but in this location it was actually very soft. The reason why is because the model is standing in the shade and there's a lot of trees around her and behind her, but just in front of the model there's no trees, so you have all of this awesome light pouring in, but then she's in the shade. This kind of light gives you very vibrant, sunny, colorful images. I asked Tonia to put the scarf on. I really love the way it looks for the portraits, just adds so much interest and detail. And I also asked her to interact with the fans. I always ask my models to do it. Just makes the portrait a little bit more dynamic and interesting if the model is interacting with her surroundings. Plus, it's always easier for the models to come up with poses when they have something to interact with. I wanted to get some sitting shots, and very conveniently we had this beautiful old wooden bench and it was in a really nice position. So I set her the way that her back is towards the sun, so she's getting really nicely backlit, and behind her there's all the greenery. It's pretty far, so again it's gonna create that really nice bokeh. I asked her to do this kind of sad and dreamy expression. In a lot of Ukrainian folk songs, the girls are always sad about their boyfriends and they're waiting for them to come from the war, or they're waiting for their kozak to come back. So I thought that that would be pretty fitting with this photo shoot. Here I was telling the model to put her hand above her forehead so that she can create shadow and not get any highlights on her face that would be kind of unflattering. Plus, I also told her to just kind of chin down and hold her head a little bit lower, again just to keep her fully in the shadow. These next couple of shots we did by the house, and again I'm using the same technique where the model is in the shade, but there's a lot of light right in front of her, so again it gives that very glowy, luminous and saturated kind of light. Lastly, I did some close-up portraits in this location. Tonia just has such a beautiful face that I absolutely had to. By the way, I'm doing some new skin retouching now, so if you guys would like to see a tutorial on that, please let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely record a Photoshop tutorial on skin. Next, we found an amazing location with this huge well crane. Not sure if that's how you say it in English, but in Ukrainian we just call them zhuravel, which translates to crane. And I love finding spots like this because this just adds so much to the story. The model can interact with it, and it's just so Ukrainian to me. So that's exactly what we did. We got her to pose by the well with some buckets, and I think it turned out just so beautiful. For this shot, I wanted to experiment a little bit with some lines, so I went pretty far with my 85mm and I shot it so that the fence is blurry in front and then it kind of leads straight into the model, and I think it turned out pretty cool. For the next couple portraits, we were actually allowed to go inside one of the houses, which is pretty cool. This is kind of like a museum. Everything that you see is original from like 1800s. It all looked super beautiful, but it was very tight inside and we did not have a lot of good light. There was one yellow light in the house plus one small window on the right side that you can see, but I still managed to get one portrait that I really liked from here. At the end of the photo shoot, we saw these geese, so we really wanted to get them in the shot. I just thought that would be so iconic, but unfortunately they were super afraid of us and we didn't have any food for them. If we had some bread or some cookies or something, it would be super easy, but we didn't have anything for them, so they were kind of running away from us. Plus, I think the little stick that I gave the model was also scaring them away, so that was very hard to get them in the shot. So we decided to shoot the model by this little pond instead. Plus, there were actually some swans in there, so it turned out pretty cool. So at the very end of the photo shoot, when we weren't even filming behind the scenes anymore, the geese came out again and I quickly snapped a shot that I actually really love, and the geese are in the shot and you can see them. I was so happy that I was still able to get those geese in my picture. Alright, so we just finished our photo shoot. We are both tired.
Yeah.
But we are so happy because it turned out so beautiful. So again, thank you so much for organizing this photo shoot, guys.
It was a pleasure to take
Yes.
pictures with you. Yeah, I hope guys you will enjoy our material.
Yeah, I hope you will enjoy seeing like different sides.
Yeah, because we have different vision a little bit.
Different
and,
style.
I think you'll like the both of our style. And like write in comments like if you like this shooting, if you want to have like more of these collaborations, some like stylistic photo shoot. And once again, thanks to Karp Studio for all this help that you do for us. Guys, if you need a good production studio that can organize everything, you should contact them really.
Yeah, I'll leave the information in the description down below. So if you are in Lviv, are they only in Lviv, right?
Yeah, Lviv, Kyiv, like...
Lviv, Kyiv. Okay, so if you are in Ukraine and you need help with your photo shoots, definitely contact them. And don't forget to check out Ivash photography.
If you like wedding photography, I have a lot of nice backstage videos. I travel around the world doing different weddings, Indian weddings, European weddings. So yeah,
go ahead, check him out, and leave this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.